In this part, we will discuss about the graphical presentation of data. The data may be collected through experiment, survey or test, etc. The word data is plural. And is singular being datum. Now datum means fact. Data signifies more than one fact. In wider sense, data denotes evidences or fact describing the group or situation. In practical sense, the statistical term data is used to describe or for numerical facts such as measures of height, weight and intelligence, achievement like this. In statistics, data refers to numerical facts. Numerical evidences or numerical facts are called data. Now in research, there are three approaches. One is qualitative approach. Second is quantitative approach. And third is mixed approach. When researcher used qualitative approach, that means he made a document analysis method or ethnographic research. So in such a type of research, the data may be collected in the form of description. That means the data in the form of description is called qualitative data. That means the form of collected data is descriptive. Such a type of data is called descriptive data. While in some researches, that means in quantitative approach, there are so many methods like survey, experimental method, correlational method, cause and effect method. Researcher use such a type of research methods. In this process, he collect the facts in the form of numerical, or he collect numerical facts in the form of numerals is called numerical data. And in statistics, the numerical data is used. And in mixed approach, the researcher may collect both type of data. That means we may collect qualitative data and as well as quantitative data. Now in statistics, the main focus is on quantitative data. We can say that the data refers numerical facts. That means it is quantitative data. Or quantitative data is also termed as statistical data. Now, we in statistics we will consider only quantitative. The researcher collects or the teacher collects the data. Quantitative data may be in two forms. One is ungrouped data and second is group data. Suppose teacher administered the unit test on the 9th class of students and he obtained these scores as scores obtained by the students are 17, 12, 15, 10, 11, 9, 20, 8, 11, 6, 13, 14, 12, 13, 16. Such a type of data is called ungrouped data. That means this data in the form of raw scores is called ungrouped data. And if we arrange this ungrouped data or raw scores in class interval or in frequency distribution, then it is called group data. Say if we consider the same example, we can convert this or arrange this data into group data like this. So second type of data is group data. Prepare the table as first column is class interval, second is tally mark, and third is frequency. Now, in this example, the minimum score is 6 and the maximum score is 20. So, we can consider the class intervals as 1 to 5. So, we can write this as 1 to 5, then 6 to 10, then 11 to 15, 11 to 15, and 16 to 20. Now, if we count all these or arrange these scores in such a type of intervals, then the score, first score is 17. The 17 score comes in the class interval 16 to 20. So take one tally mark. Then 12. 12 is included in class interval 11 to 15. So make one tally mark. Then 15. 15 is also included in the same interval. Then 10. 10 is included in class interval 6 to 10. Then 11. 11 included in 11 to 15. Then 9 is included in 6 to 10. Then 20 is included in 16 to 20. 8 is included in 6 to 10. Like this, we can arrange all these above scores as now we count all these tally marks. Then class interval 1 to 5, there is no tally mark. That means frequency of that class interval is 0. Then next is 4. That means frequency of class interval 6 to 10 is 4. Then frequency of class interval 11 to 15 is 9. And the frequency of class interval 16 to 20 is 3. Total of the frequency is 50, and the raw scores are also in number 15. That means such a type of arrangement of data is nothing but group data. There are separate methods are used for presenting graphically the data. Methods are used to represent the data, group data and ungroup. What do you mean by graphical presentation of data? Graphical presentation of data is nothing but the presentation of data by using geometrical figures like square, rectangle, circle and other pictures also. That means graphical presentation of data is nothing but mathematical picture of data. Now it is a sort of chart which shows statistical data in the form of lines, curves or pictures also. Data is plotted on surface or plane like this. This is the plane. So data is presented on surface or plane. Now graphical presentation of data is enabled in studying the cause and effect relationship between two variables. Graphical presentation of data helps to measure the effect or extent of change in one variable when the other is also changed. That means it is enabled to study the cause and effect relationship between two variables. It comprises the relation between data, information and ideas in the diagram, one diagram. That means we can take a picture of data at a glance in very attractive manner. That means here we discuss about the graphical presentation. In this part we have only discussed what do you mean by graphical presentation and type of data. Next part we will discuss about the need and importance of graphical presentation of data.